In this package could be an unbelievable discovery found in everyday pocket change. Or it could be nothing special at all. Today, we are opening a mystery that has kept collectors guessing for years. The family trusted me to examine and validate this coin. Stay with me as we open the package, inspect the penny, and uncover the truth behind this 1995 Abraham Lincoln penny backstory. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something very interesting, a 1995 Lincoln penny that was found in circulation. The owner noticed something unusual about it. The color looked different. The details looked stronger and the weight felt off. This coin came from regular pocket change, no auction, no collection. Just everyday money finder checks coins regularly. Especially Lincoln cents from the 1990s. Many people ignore these coins, but experienced hunters know that errors, varieties, and rare conditions can hide in plain sight. This coin was separated immediately because it stood out. Initial checks. First thing checked was the sound test. The coin had a solid ring. Next, the weight was tested. It came in right where it should. Then visual inspection showed sharp lettering, strong Lincoln portrait, and unusual surface texture. This raised suspicion that it could be something special. Because the family did not have access to a professional coin shop, they decided to send the coin to me. They wanted full transparency, full documentation, and an honest evaluation on camera. Unboxing package arrived sealed and protected. Everything was recorded to avoid doubt. The coin was carefully wrapped, no signs of tampering. Once opened, the penny immediately caught the eye. The color was rich, the details were clear, and the overall look was better than expected for a circulated coin. First look. At first glance, this 1995 Lincoln penny looked strong. The date was clear, the mint mark was bold. Lincoln's portrait had sharp lines. The fields were clean with light circulation marks. Nothing looked artificial or altered. Gloves were worn to protect the surface. The coin was removed from its holder. Under normal lighting, it already looked promising, but real answers come from testing, not guessing. Weight test. The coin was placed on the scale. The reading was steady, right within tolerance. This ruled out many common fakes and plated coins. The weight confirmed it was struck on a proper planchette. Magnification check. Under magnification, the story became clearer. The letters showed clean edges. The mint mark was correct for Denver. No signs of tooling or added metal. The surfaces showed natural wear consistent with circulation. The strike quality was surprisingly strong for this year. Comparisons. Other 1995 Lincoln pennies were placed side by side. Differences became noticeable. This coin had sharper features, better definition in Lincoln's hair and coat, and stronger lettering. Die characteristics lined up with known genuine examples. At this point, everything pointed toward authenticity. No red flags, no warning signs, just a solid genuine coin that may be more valuable than people expect. Decision rather than rush to conclusions. I decided further evaluation was necessary. Coins like this deserve professional attention. The family was informed of the findings, and options were discussed, including grading, selling, or holding for the future. Final thoughts. 1995 Abraham Lincoln penny is often overlooked, but examples like this remind us that value is not always about age. Condition, strike quality, and subtle differences can make a big impact. Coins like this can surprise even experienced collectors. This penny came from circulation, from everyday change, and that is what makes it exciting. Rare finds are still out there, waiting for someone who knows what to look for. Always check your coins. You never know what history you are holding. If you enjoyed this journey and want to see more real coin discoveries, make sure to support the channel. Happy hunting and thanks for watching.